welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those who all are new, my name is Manasi Vakharia and I am a master's in clinical nutrition and dietetics, and I make health, nutrition and diet easy for you. So today I'm going to talk about a very important topic, that is bloating. Yes. So in the entire day I had around about 9 to 10 consultations, and it was a very big surprise to me that more than 50% of them were bloated. हर एक को जब मैंने ये सवाल पूछा कि how is your gut, how is your digestion, how do you feel after having food, everybody had the same repetitive answers that I am facing a little tightness, a little heaviness, I am having a lot of gases. So this is nothing else but bloating. So today I am here to tell you a very simple remedy, a very simple tea that you can make from the ingredients that are always available at home. And most of the time, not only for my patients from India but also from across the globe, this has been very useful. But before we move ahead, let us understand why do we have this bloating. So there are very common and basic reasons, and I'm sure that you all are going to relate to it. Eating at wrong times, eating foods that don't suit you, overeating, eating while you're watching the television, eating while you're going through your social media, or eating too fast, or eating while you're angry are few of the simple reasons that can lead to bloating. Also, a very few other reasons can be drinking too much alcohol or mixing the wrong liquids with your alcohol, or also staying up till very late at night. These are very common things that can cause bloating or stomach upset. So the tea that I'm going to tell you is a very simple remedy, but you have got to do the things that you have got to do, like eating at a very slow pace, trying to do mindful eating, then trying not to drink water while you are having food, doing some movement like slow walking for 10 to 15 minutes after your meals, trying not to lie down immediately after eating, and so on and so forth. Yes, so now coming to the main point, that is how to make the tea. So right now, whatever ingredients I'm telling you is for 500 ml of tea, that is half a liter. But depending on your portion that you are making, you can vary and you can play around with the ingredients. Okay, so you need half liter of water. Then along with that, 1 to 2 table seeds of fennel seeds. Okay, what we call as soft or badi shop in the regional languages. Then you need a pinch or half teaspoon of ajwain. Okay, along with that you need 1 or half spoon of cumin seeds, that is called as jeera in Hindi. Along with that you need a small piece of ginger, fresh ginger, which you need to bash or you need to grate and add it to your tea. If you don't have fresh ginger, you can also add a small pinch of ginger powder to it. Along with that, depending on your taste, you can also add a pinch of salt, a pinch of rock salt, or some honey to it, depending on the flavor and taste, how you enjoy it. You have to add all these ingredients to the water and let it boil until it becomes a little light to dark brown in color, and after that simmer it for 2 to 3 minutes. It is best served hot, and you can have up to 2 to 3 cups in a day depending upon how severe is your bloating. I usually have it 30 to 40 minutes after my meals, and it is really refreshing to increase your metabolism, to remove all the gas and bloating that is there in the stomach. You can also have it as an iced tea. You have to boil it, strain it and put it in the refrigerator until it is cool, and then you can also add freshly cut mint leaves to it for flavor. Of course, if you do not like any ingredients or you're allergic to some, it's like you have to eliminate them. You can also play around with it as per your quantity. So this drink that I'm telling you is not a permanent solution. It is just a simple remedy, but you have to make sure that you work on the major and the core reason for having bloating. This is very simple to make, and you can always make it because all the ingredients that have been used in the tea are very easily available at home. This can be had by people who are old, medium age, young, also by small children, of course not infants, but small children, because all these are extremely natural and very safe. I hope this video was helpful, and do start working on your health. Don't wait until 1st of January or the coming week or the coming month to start on your health, because health is not going to wait for you. So do like it and share it with all your friends who have bloating issues, gut issues, and till then, see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.